Sometimes when we go to pick up our phone, we suddenly find it's completely off. It's turned off. Maybe we left it on the table, or maybe we left it charging. These are some system errors that sometimes happen on our device. It stays off. The screen goes black, we plug it in, and the first thing we do is think our phone is dead. We plug it in to charge. But it doesn't show it's charging. It doesn't do anything, it doesn't vibrate, it doesn't turn on. If that's your case, and you press the power button and it doesn't turn on, don't worry, because we're going to explain a way to recover it. What you're going to do is press the volume up and volume down buttons for 5 seconds. After you press those two buttons, release them and press the power button and the volume down button again. You'll see that you'll be able to enter this mode. Don't worry, just press the power button. Press the power button again, and wait for the phone to restart. This is what usually happens with these errors, and pressing those two buttons is what fixes it. If the volume down button doesn't work, try the volume up button. Now, just wait until it takes you to the home screen, and that's it.